headquarters in Bangalore, Karnataka. We're here today with Dumidu. He's doing some sensational work at Connectville. We're delighted to have him. Dumidu, tell us a little bit about yourself and your Web3 journey.
Hey Tony, how are you? Hope you're well. We meet again. So my name is Dumidu. I've been in the branding, marketing, and corporate communication space for the last 10 years. And in terms of my Web3 experience, I've been fortunate to work with some of the big entities in the Web3 and crypto space, including Binance, Bybit, now hoping to work with Solana as well. And then I have a team that has years of collective experience in terms of engaging with community work, growth activities with all of these big entities as well.
Okay, very cool. And yeah, tell us more, about the team and what the composition of the team actually looks like.
So essentially, my co-founder and the technical consultant to the project, he is currently the vice president solution architecture for Bank of Singapore, with 20 plus years of experience in fintech architecture. He specializes in optimization, scalability, and security. And the rest of the team is pretty much from the Web3 world. These guys have, like I said before, these guys have years of collective experience working with exchanges, NFT projects, and so on and so forth, including the likes of Bybit, Binance, KuCoin, PizzaDAO, Solana. It's a very diverse team. They're very energetic. They know what the community brings to the table, and something that I really come to respect and admire is how close knit this Web3 and crypto community is, which is also why we built a product that essentially enable both the Web2 and the Web3 worlds to coexist together. We'll learn more about it as we speak.
Yeah, for sure. And curious to dive into that more. Tell us a little bit about the problem that y'all are solving for.
Right, fantastic. So let's do this exercise. If anybody's watching this live as well, think of all the event marketplaces that you've interacted with. Right, as a branding and marketing guy, I've come to known a lot of events throughout the years, and across different lifestyles and industries as well. And there's three things that we've always seen that has not been catered to by the current players in the market: discoverability, connection, and community. There's no discoverability. You often go to these platforms to interact with it transactionally for an event that you already know about, or there's no connection. You're not able to connect with the different stakeholders or with the community for that matter, which brings us to the third pain point, which is the community. So these are the very three things that we champion in our product as well, Tony, in Connectville.
Okay, absolutely fire. Let's dive into it. Go ahead, share your screen. Let's see what it actually looks like.
All right, get ready to be blown away.
Let's go.
Right, let me know when you see my screen.
Yep, we're locked in.
All right, fantastic. So like I said, in terms of the problem that we identified, there were three problems. Remember, Tony: discoverability, connection, and communities. Now, in terms of discoverability, we work just like the Netflix with an algorithm of our own, with a scoring mechanism where it analyzes your natural language behavior and make sure that you are recommended with events that you take preference in. That's one of the first ways of discoverability that we've enabled all our users. And the second form of discoverability is in terms of your proximity. Wherever you are in the world, you have this live event map that enables you to identify events around you within your proximity. That's discoverability in us. And then in terms of the connection, now once you go inside one of these events, why is it not loading? There you go.
Yeah.
So once you go inside one of these events, you're going to see all these different stakeholders within the play, including the organizers, the lineup. Now, this lineup could be artists, speakers, anybody for that matter. And then in terms of other stakeholders, sponsors, partners, are you able to connect with these guys directly as well? But beyond that, what's really fun about it is every event has a public group chat where you're able to sort of see to the vibe of the event before you have to decide whether you're going or not. Now that's one of the very interesting features. And the other main thing is the community. Now how do we get the community to stick with us and be daily users of this particular platform? Now here's where our profile feature comes in. As a user of the community, not only you're part of a global community that's built around the concept of events, but you're also in control of your privacy, visibility, and your social networking. Whatever you want to whatever you want people to connect with you on, you're listing yourself to be explored by other community members as well. So beyond that, it's the general stuff. You have a fantastic dashboard here with a library that shows you the stuff that you have saved and your history.
Sure. Very
And then
Netflixy.
very Netflixy, brother. So once you go inside an event, you have your analytics full in control. So here's the bottom line: you're in control of your data, you're in control of your information, you're in control of your community. That's essentially what we champion with ConnectWell.
Okay, that's fire. And that was the portal you were just showing us for the event host, correct?
That's right.
Okay, sweet. Yeah, that's a fire dashboard. Very cool.
What else can I help you with?
Yeah. So, yeah, anything else in the platform you'd like to show us?
That's essentially that, Tony. I wanted to simplify this message just so the entire community understands what exactly that we're catering to. We champion three things, like I said: discoverability, connection, and community. Now, if you look into every other event marketplace out there in the global space, you would see that nobody is catering to these three elements the way we cater them.
Mhm. Okay. Yeah, absolutely. Talk to us more about some of the traction you've seen, and some of the feedback you've gotten around this product.
Fantastic question. So first and foremost, this is a very delicate project. We have been working on this over the last 1.5 years. One of the most important things that we did during the journey is get a lot of feedback from different stakeholders, organizers, to artists, to partners, sponsors, to understand their pain points are in terms of this user experience and what they try to get out of these, right? And then on top of that, version 0, we did a beta run in Sri Lanka with these numbers. Now, one of the most interesting numbers is this average on-site engagement time per user, which, keep in mind that this is almost the same time that one would spend on reading a blog. Now, what this means for us is it really validates the algorithm that people are spending time with it. So that's one of the major highlights in terms of our traction. And also, Tony, might I remind that we were also graduates of Founder Institute. Founder Institute is Silicon Valley-based world's largest pre-seed accelerator. They had their South Asian cohort year, and we were 1 out of 30 to get selected and won it. Now that's one of the things that I wanted to emphasize on as well.
Yeah, that's excellent. Super, super cool. Talk to us more about the product roadmap. What are you looking to get after this year?
So see, even though it looks lifestyle from the outset, we're very much a fintech model. These different stakeholders. Right now, it's the tickets, and then we're going to have a marketplace where ticket resales and even merchandise buying and selling can be done. And eventually, the roadmap will take us to a point where you'll be able to book your artists, speakers, and all of these other different stakeholders on the platform as well. And on the other hand, they would be able to manage the entire event booking and financial schedules.
Okay, that's right. Talk to us more about the token utility.
Oh, that's a great question, man. That's a great question. So what we're building here is what we call is a global passport. It's not a membership. It's a global passport. Why do we call it the global passport? Because the ConnectWell membership will not only get you exposed to events worldwide, but you also become a part of these global communities around the world across different lifestyles and different natures, right? So one of the major things about our membership, where our users can stake their tokens on, is the accessibility to exclusive discounts, offers across the world. That's number one. Number two is we wanted to announce this with you for the first time. For our earliest users who are backing our fundraising, they're going to get founding member NFT badges and first preference invites to Connectville, exclusive Connectville events wherever they are in the world.
Mm-hmm.
And obviously, eventually you'll be able to transact with the tokens as well. So it gives it retention.
Okay. Yeah, that's so tight. Really fire. Talk to us more about the fund utilization, and how you're looking to set forth your expenses for this year.
Cool. So like you probably understand now, we have been bootstrapping our journey so far. We have a functional MVP, not just an MVP actually. It's a functional product that we've tested, and we're ready to go to market. And one of the major things that we want to focus on is getting a full-time team in terms of tech, operations, and growth. That's really, really important for us if you're running a global operation. And on top of that, we will have certain allocations for legal and finances as well, just so we're very, very disciplined in our journey. And other than that, it'll be operational and travel expenses too.
Okay, very cool. Anything else you'd like to share with us about Connectville today?
Yes, I think as a is it me or am I losing you?
Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're back.
Hey, sorry, man. Sorry. Can you repeat?
All good. Yeah, no, I was just curious to tell us a little bit more about like how you're feeling. What are your emotions like heading into this token launch?
I don't know what's heavier, the emotions that we've gone through over the last 1.5 years building this as a bootstrapped startup, or the fact that we're actually breaking through to the market. I mean, it's exciting and nervous at the same time, man, as probably usual for everybody else.
For sure. Where can we find more information about you, the team, and Connectville?
It's our X. Our X account has everything. If you go to our highlights, you'll see the demo, the mobile desktop demos, the white paper, the market opportunity, the team details. All of that is very neatly organized for anybody who wants to. You have a look at the team, have an understanding of the project, and so on.
Yeah, absolutely. We'll greatly appreciate it. Absolutely fire team, and a product that is truly community driven. So
Thank you,
really
brother.
appreciate it.
I appreciate the sentiments, man.
Absolutely, and best of luck.
Thank you, brother. Cheers. Bye-bye.